Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, and welcome to the year 2016. The future is bright, and so is the sun outside. However, it's not been so bright for stocks today. Rough start to the new year, to say the very least. However, it's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're soon going to be closing, and for some of us, the New Year's celebrations continue. Ladies and gentlemen, it's happy hour in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks, they're sharply lower this Monday afternoon on this, the first day of trade for the year 2016, weighed down by growing concerns of a global economic slowdown and growing tensions in the Middle East. But first, let's get data out of the way. December ISM manufacturing coming in 48.2, below expectations and down from November's 48.6 read. Also, December's market manufacturing PMI 51.2. And construction spending falling 0.4% in November. But now we turn to the big story of the day, the big nation of China, as an overnight drop in Chinese stocks triggered a circuit breaker that pressured sentiment. Chinese stocks plunging today after Caixin manufacturing PMI showed continued contraction in the area of the economy. The Chinese yuan also weakening to hit its lowest level since 2011. That's the currency. Causing this over the weekend, China reporting manufacturing PMI that remained below the 50 level, indicating contraction. The official manufacturing PMI for December, 49.7, after being at 49.6 in November, while the Caixin December manufacturing PMI read 48.2 versus November's read of 48.6. Now both the Shanghai and Shenzhen exchanges ending the trading session early, after the CSI 300 dropped 7%, triggering a circuit breaker, which is a trading halt. And it was the first implementation of the new circuit breaker rule announced back in September. And now, with oil turning lower amid increased tension in the Middle East, after Saudi Arabia, the world's biggest oil exporter, cut diplomatic ties with Iran on Sunday in response to the storming of its embassy in Tehran, the protests following Saudi Arabia's execution of a prominent Shiite cleric, then you have yourself quite the down session to start off the new year, where the Dow is currently down more than 2%, on pace for its largest percent decline on the first trading day of the year since the year 1932. 1932. Let's take a look now at the numbers just to see how down the Dow is to start off 2016. And on the corporate front, Tesla and Chinese e-commerce company JD.com falling more than 7% in afternoon trade, marking the greatest decliners in the Nasdaq amid the slide in stocks in China. And with that stated, we won't even talk about stocks. Hopefully we'll see a rebound on the second day of the year. Let's talk sports. JETS, another year, another postseason without Gang Green, beating ourselves. And in basketball, welcome back Elton Brand to the 76ers. And on corporate news, check out one of our newest segments for the year that helps you, the viewer, understand the markets more. And trust me, you'll love it. For ModernWallStreet.com, saying I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, I'm James Sweeney.